the display in your car runs on technology unfortunately India has never manufactured. That is about to change. IT Minister Ashwini Vaishnav told Business Standard this weekend that the first micro LED screens will roll out of a new facility in Dholera, Gujarat, in approximately 22 months. India is not buying this technology, it is building it, which of course is a very proud moment. The Dholera display facility will adopt both mini LED and micro LED technologies. Mini LED will have two chip sizes, 50 micron by 100 micron and 75 micron by 125 micron. The micro LED chip size will be 30 micron by 60 microns. So Crystal Matrix has tied up with Lumens for technology transfer and will invest in research and development from the point production begins. The applications are deliberately broad. Large display for televisions, commercial screens and signage, medium-sized displays for tablets, smartphones and in-car systems, and micro displays for AR and VR glasses and smartwatches. The minister made a very specific technical point which is worth understanding. The global display industry has been shrinking chip geometry from 300 microns to 70 microns. The real inflection point for mass market adoption is 50 microns, the point at which micro LED becomes directly competitive with LCD and OLED on both user experience and cost. Dholera is being built for that precise moment. So in 4 years, since the Indian semiconductor mission has launched, India has gone from no semiconductor plant to 12. 2 plants, Micron and Keynes, are already in commercial production. A third begins in July, a fourth by the end of the year. Tata's OSAT facility in Assam will produce 48 million chips a day. CG Power's OSAT in Sanand will produce over 15 million chips daily. Keynes OSAT, also in Sanand, will produce over 6 million chips per day. So the display manufacturing piece is the part India has not previously attempted. Screens are imported. The components inside screens are imported. The Dholera facility changes that. Not in 2030, but just in 22 months. Now, whether that timeline holds is probably the only question which is worth watching out for. The minister has given a specific number. The plant now has a deadline attached to it. Please do let us know what are your thoughts in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the IIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.